How to propagate rosemary in 4 simple steps. Cut, scratch, dip, plant. Steps will show later.
Now next.
So again, we just check how to take cutting of rosemary.
This is good.
Don't cut the brown part. You can see, let me show the light green part. So you can see this is light green and these are the brown. Don't cut this one. Just cut the light green. And these are the cuttings we have collected. So again, just check the new growth and the light green part. Cut.
And this is how we have cleaned up this.
So first you show me how you
cut. So I will take this and I will go till the green part.
So you can see the light green part. And you cut. Don't cut the brown part. Now after cutting, just show me.
So I'll take like this first.
So just take off all those rosemary that you can use it later. And then just scratch a little bit so that will release the hormone. So this is your cutting, like how to take cutting from the rosemary plant to propagate rosemary.
Dip
in the rooting hormone and then place it in the pot. Those steps will show me. Now you can see I have nice cuttings from this rosemary plant, and this is the rooting hormone. I will scratch the lower part and dip in this rooting hormone and put it in the pot or straight in the garden. Now you can see I have a couple cuttings and I have scratched the bottom part and little leaves. Okay. And then together I'm going to put in here all together. Together inside, and then now you can see how I have planted this straight in my garden or in the pot under your greenhouse, or straightforward outside if weather is already warm in the spring season and water but no wet feet.